Wait, did you know you can create these viral celebrity selfie AI videos in just a few minutes? And the crazy part is you can do this completely for free on computer and on mobile device. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral selfie videos step by step using Grok AI. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to generate videos like this with any celebrity you want. So the process is actually very simple. First, we'll go to Gemini. Here we're going to generate the celebrity images that will be used in the video. You'll need to upload a reference image of yourself. This is my photo, so I'll just drag and drop it here. Now we'll paste a prompt that tells Gemini to generate a cinematic selfie style image. The best part is you only need to change two things in the prompt: the celebrity name and the movie set or background. For example, I'll change the celebrity name to Jim Carrey, and for the background, I'll replace it with the Mask film set. Now click send. And there we go. Wow, the image actually looks really good. But the orientation is landscape and we need it in portrait. Don't worry about that though, because we can fix that later in Grok AI. Now simply repeat the same process and generate another image. This time I'll do Jim Carrey from the set of Dumb and Dumber. You can generate as many images as you want with different scenes. Once the images are ready, just download them. All right, I've generated quite a few images. Now, once you have the images, we're gonna convert them into a video using Grok AI. So go to Grok AI and open the Imagine tab. Here we'll upload two of the generated images. I'll just drag and drop them here. Next, we'll paste a prompt that tells Grok to create a selfie-style moving video. And don't worry about typing this prompt manually because it's quite long. I've placed all the prompts used in this video inside my Telegram channel, so you can simply copy and paste them from there. You'll find the Telegram link in the description, so make sure you go and join the channel to download the prompts. Now simply click Generate. And within a few seconds, Grok will convert these images into a realistic celebrity selfie video. Also, if you're wondering how I'm using Grok premium features, I actually made a video where I show how you can use SuperGrok unlimited times for free. So if Grok ever asks you to upgrade, make sure you watch that video after this one. And just like that, you've created a viral style celebrity selfie video using AI. You can experiment with things like different celebrities, different movie sets, different environments, and create unlimited viral videos.